Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ella Page. I'm a real estate agent here in St. John's, Florida. And today I am here at the brand new phase in the master plan community of Silverleaf called Newbrook. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Silverleaf, this is going to be one of the largest master plan communities in all of Northeast Florida. There'll probably be somewhere between 12 and 15,000 homes once the community is all said and done, and it has just begun its development in the last couple of years. So the unique thing about Silverleaf is it is going to be almost like its own little town. There's, of course, residential real estate to buy, but there's also a lot of commercial and mixed-use space that's going to be filled up with tons of restaurants, shops, fitness centers, doctor's offices, a new hospital going in, and much more. There will eventually be 5 amenity centers here in Silverleaf, and there is currently one already built. That amenity center already has a pool, a lap pool, a splash park for kids, pickleball and tennis courts, a dog park, and fields for kids to run and play around and do sports. Eventually, there is going to be an amenity center here in Newbrook, which will be wonderful for families who are considering building in this section. And the Newbrook Amenity Center is going to have a clubhouse, a fitness center, sports fields, more pickleball and tennis courts, a pool, a splash pad, and much more. So now let's get into exactly what floor plans Toll Brothers is offering. They're going to be offering single family homes as well as townhomes. Their floor plans are starting from about 1,700 square feet, going all the way up to 4,700 square feet. A lot of their floor plans are customizable. They are a semi-custom builder, so there are a lot of structural and, of course, design options that you can pick to make this house your home. Their luxury townhomes are going to be starting from the low 400,000s, and their single-family homes are going to be starting from the low 500,000s. Toll Brothers is known as one of the luxury builders here in Northeast Florida, so I am excited to show you around some of their models so you can get an idea of what their finished product looks like. Well, that wraps it up for today's video. So if you have any other questions about building in Newbrook, in Silverleaf in general, or on St. John's, Florida, please feel free to reach out to me today. I will leave my contact information here on the screen. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.